Hi, this is Rhonda Braswick here today, and I wanted to come on here and share a tool that I've been using for almost a year now. It is called the Toolkit. You can see it right up here in the left-hand corner, and I use this tool literally every day. The thing I like about this tool is it has a lot of features on it that I've seen other programs out there offering. However, the other programs have a monthly fee. I've seen anywhere from $39, $49, $59, even $69 a month to do the same things that this tool does. And this tool is literally a one-time cost. And I'm not going to say the price, just in case you're watching this and they have raised the price. However, if you are interested in this, after you see this presentation, just contact me and I can get you the information. You can only get it through a direct representative. I am in contact with one of them. So if you go on, as you can see up here, the Toolkit is a Chrome extension. However, if you go on the Chrome extension, I believe the last time I saw it, it was like $499. The price I can get for you is a lot less than that. And like I said, there is no monthly fee. It's a one-time fee. So I'm going to show you what I do every day. And this is such a time saver for me. So I come on here, I'll scroll down. I go to the birthday greeter right here because this is all hooked up with Facebook. So I probably did not say that at the beginning, but this is a tool that you use with Facebook. So you can see, it'll tell you how many of your friends are online right now, and different other things here to the left. I haven't used all of these, admittedly, as much as I should be. I have been working on that because once you really dig into it, this tool, it literally will pay for itself in a very short time. But anyways, I go down to this birthday greeter. You click on this birthday greeter. As you can see, excuse me, I have wishes saved. You can change these all the time. You can save them in here. I usually change my messages every couple months or so just to switch it up. But all you do is once you have it saved in here, you just come in here, you click on birthday greeter, you click on wish them. It's automatically going to go to your Facebook. Pull up whoever's friends have birthdays today. As you can see, it's going to start randomly plugging in those messages I have saved and send them a message all at once. Boom, you are done. No going through the timeline or going through your notifications and individually writing on people's timelines for their birthday. The other thing you can do is an auto greeter over here on the left. So what you can do with that is for new friends. So you can, this says no friends found right here because I have not yet today hooked it up and loaded up my friends, which I will do later. But however, what you're going to do is you can automatically put in here, so auto greeting for incoming friend requests. So if you want to start weeding people out, I know I get a million friend requests. I'm sure you do too. You can come in here, type in a little message and save it. This way, when anyone sends you a friend request, they are going to get that, right? There's also a message template in here where you can, once you have connected with somebody, you can send them a message also. And there's a lot of things in here. I'm not going to go into all of these right now. I will do other videos, but there's a lead CRM, there's tag management. You can get into Messenger. You can engage others. I do use this sometimes. I don't use this all the time just because I do think it's important to be personal. I would say I probably use this maybe 20% of the time to get my engagement up on social media. It's important to have your engagement up because that allows your posts to get seen by more people, if that makes sense. The more people that you are engaging with, Facebook likes to see you on there, and they will show your posts to more people, which we're all about. So the same thing, you can come in here, you can even add variables like a name or day if you want. input in those little brackets, and this way it'll automatically put their name or the day in there. So what it does is it sorts the posts and what you're responding to their posts by the little emojis. So if they have a thumbs up, if they have mostly hearts, if they have mostly the care thing, or the laughing emoji, the wow, the sad, and the angry. So whatever that post has the most of, this tool is going to figure out, and then it's going to post one of these two messages. It's going to go through randomly, however you have your messages saved. I switch my messages up on here probably every 2 to 3 weeks, just to change it up a little bit. But then once I have it saved, all I have to do is go to Start Engagement. I will show you how this works. It's going to show how many engagements I have. And it's going to start engaging on my friends' posts on Facebook for me. So when I have time, I do this for myself, right? I go in and I personally engage so I can personally respond and see what people are saying and get to know my friends. However, if I'm doing something or I have some busy days and I know I'm not going to be able to get on Facebook as much as I would like to, that's where I start using this tool, and it comes in here and it starts doing the engagement for me. So that's what I love about it. And you can, have it send out these little messages that you have, or you can even hit this little box right here if you wanted to only do reactions. So if you want, you can just have it give a thumbs up or a heart or, a caring one. So however you want to do that. So I'm going to hit stop engagement because I've done a bunch today. But anyways, so that's another thing that I do use a lot. It's a big time saver. Cancel friend invites. So if you've been going into a lot of groups lately and sending out a lot of friend requests, you don't want to keep those friend requests gathering up in there for you. So you can come in here and hit cancel friend invites. It's going to pull up all the friend requests that you sent out, and it's going to start deleting them from your Facebook for you, all automatically, which is great. So this is a big time saver. And I really just wanted to show you a few of the things this can do. Like I said, it's a big time saver. It does a lot of things that I've seen other tools do that have, exorbitant monthly fees. Like I said, this is a one-time only fee, which is what I love about it. And as you can see, it has a lot to offer in this tool. So if you have any questions about this tool, just send me a message or comment below this video, depending where you're watching this video. Once again, this is Rhonda 𝒊𝒂𝒍. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope you found this valuable.